I am very happy that I had the privilege to participate to this workshop in Vilnius. The focus of the workshop is on the inclusivity that we as designers can add to the world.
Design basically is life. It's a tool that can create a connection between all human beings.
We are working alongside students, teachers from 3 different countries to try and better understand the needs of people with disabilities.
We brought the students here to experiment what happens when someone wants to visit a touristic site and has disabilities.
Empathy is just a one word what describes design overall. So if you put more thought into the user perspective, it will give you all the answers.